Hello guys! Good morning, good afternoon sa inyong lahat dyan. So for today's vlog, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong juice yung ginagamit ko pag inuubo yung mga anak ko. So isang ganito lang siya guys. Pag inuubo sila, isa or dalawa ganito. 2 spoon. So ayan, so ito yung lemon natin. So 2 lemon lang yung ginamit ko dito guys, 2. So, sinlice ko siya kasi para ipapasok ko siya sa machine natin, yung juicer natin. Tapos, ito yung ating ginger. Ayan, ginger natin, guys. At saka, ang ating pineapple. So, gawin nating juice. Tapos, ipapainom natin to sa bata pag may ubo, may sipon. Ganun. So, ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. So, ayan. So, 2 kutsara lang or, isa, depende sa inyo guys. So ayan, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya pag tapos na yung juice natin. Kailangan guys, meron kayong machine ng juicer natin. So hindi ko alam kung meron kayo. So ito, papasok natin sa loob yung ating natin. So, ayan na dyan guys, ang juice natin. So, ayan. Ito na yung ating juice guys. So, ayan na siya. So, kung gusto mo lagyan ng honey, if you want honey, you can have honey. Okay? So,
wait, so you only choose one?
So, how many?
Ew, that's so gross.
If you want honey, honey. Honey, my love, so sweet.
Stop calling it that. It's not
One.
your honey.
Honey.
No.
Honey. Okay, so no, it's okay. You need honey too. Why is it like this one?
Okay, my turn. No, don't.
Yeah, come on. So 1 for Isa. How about that? Okay.
Me only 1, 2, please.
Because yours is just a bubbles.
Good. I like it.
Okay, move, baby, move.
I am leaving. I can fix the guy.
Because you are sick.
Mommy, do I only need to wear a shirt?
Ayan, guys. Okay, next, Toto.
I only have shirt.
Okay, next is Toto's. Bye-bye. So, no need to go to the clinic. Okay, guys. Just go.
Honey, my laugh so sweet. I didn't fix the gun yet.
That's all, guys. So, ayan lang ang solution ko pag may ubo. So, ako may ubo at sipon din, guys. Kasi, diba, siguro sa weather. So, ako rin. Baka isipin nyo, fake lang tayo, guys.
Isa is the winner.
Ano siya, guys? Matamis-tamis na maanghang na iwan ko. Kasi meron siyang ginger, lemon, at saka ano, ang tawag, pineapple. So, parang nag-mix niya na matamis, na maanghang, maasim. Yun ang lasa niya, guys. So, yun ang lasa.
Your gun is fixed.
Thank you so much. Sana makatulong sa inyo ang aking juice. So, bago matulog, inom ulit sila, guys. So, ayun lang. Asawa ko ganito din ang ininom. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.